Alright, what's going on, guys? It's Mossy, aka Cybex Trades, and today I'm back with another trade recap and review. So yeah, today's the 27th, Tuesday, and let's just get dive into it. And I'm not gonna speak there for a second. Let's just dive straight into it. And yeah, so coming to the day, only played ROKU today. Had Spy on watch list, but mainly ROKU here because of the yesterday's insane rally on this ticker. And that's basically why I really had it on my watch list. I was looking for a continuation play where I pull back to go long, and that's basically what we got in the first 15 minutes or to 5 to 10 minutes of the first market open. And yeah, let's go and break it down. So as you guys can see on the daily time frame here, if we go and look at the daily time frame, we had a nice pop here with huge volume. As you guys can see, a very nice volume. So I like to see that, that makes me more confident in taking a play for continuation. And if we go look at the 4-hour time frame, looks like we popped out of this triangle here, as you guys can see. And yeah, we closed above it nicely. So buyers were there, buyers are present, more buyers were present. And looking at the small time frame, same thing. So basically what I was looking for when I was going into pre-market here was pull back into 100 to go longs, retest that, and or basically if we go above yesterday's high. But basically since I charted this level here, historical level, I wanted to see it kind of hold this over this level of 103.79. These are the levels that I had for the ticker at this moment. And yeah, basically my first play was as soon as we closed above this 103.79, I entered calls of the 106 weekly calls, and as you guys can see, 172. Now, me personally, I didn't really get the best fill in my opinion, the best entry, and I'll tell you why. Because it was pretty fast right off market open. The reason being was that the premiums jumped on this thing was very fast. I mean, I think the delta here was the deltas here is showing on this currently at this contract is 44. So yeah, it was moving pretty fast, and basically per dollar. So basically I didn't really wait for it to even like slightly pull back because I didn't want to miss it. I don't know if it was gonna like go insane, and I entered like right at the top here 172. And then this is where I made my first mistake. Was I scaled in here, and even though it wasn't really worth it to scale in because I saw like I kind of got emotional in terms of the fact that I wanted to chase, I guess, gains, you could say, and that's not really a good idea. So I need to hold myself accountable. But yeah, profit target reached here. So basically my first level here reached here, my resistance level here, as you guys can see. And actually I just added this as it was going up. I didn't even know that, I didn't really consider this to be, I forgot about the psychological level of 105. So I added this as we went up, and I was like, I adjusted my stop loss. Basically I said if we break here, I first trimmed here first at 105.56. First contract I trimmed that was 212, and I said if we break 105 I'm exiting, because I kind of wanted to see that momentum push into 106 so I can take the profits. But as you guys can see, we did come back to it, but I just basically got we kind of had a pullback on VWAP, and then we went there. But you never know what happens. You never know what can happen. So I was just like, you know what, I'm gonna take my profits. And yeah, overall, the reason you guys can see, even though I'm up for the day, 56 bucks on the day, overall I'm not really happy with my entry, because, and the fact that I scaled in, because if we look at the entry here, 172 trimming at 212, that's good, right? But since I had the second contract, it didn't really like the risk to reward was kind of skewed a little bit, so that's why, even though it could have gone wrong, and I could have wiped yesterday's gains. So yeah, but overall that's pretty much it for today. Nothing too crazy, just a simple continuation play setup on ROKU. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thank you.